Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. A sector is cut from circle of diameter 56 centimeter. If the angle of the sector is 60 degrees, find its area. We are given that a circle with diameter 56 centimeter, and from this circle a sector of 60 degrees is cut off. Sector of 60 degrees. And we have to find the area of this sector. Diameter equal to 2 times radius. Therefore, radius of this circle will be 56 by 2 is equal to 28 centimeters. Angle of sector is given as 60 degree. Therefore, area of sector we know is pi r square theta by 360, where theta is angle of sector. So 22 by 7 into 28 into 28 into 60 by 360. Now 60 by 360 can be written as 1 by 6. We are left with 7 4s are 22 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 28 multiplied by 1 by 6. Now this can be simplified further as 2 and 3. So let's multiply. We have 44 multiplied by 28. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32 plus 3 is 35. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 2 8 plus 5 13. 8 plus 4 12. So this is equal to 1232 divided by 3 centimeter square, which is equal to 3 4s are 3 1s are 3 zeros are 0.6 recurring centimeter square. So required area of sector is 410.6 recurring centimeter square. This is the answer.